Hi everybody, I just made this delicious apple cinnamon breakfast pastry. Oh my gosh, it's so good. If you want to learn how to make it, watch the video. Okay, I'm doing an experiment. I took a can of cinnamon rolls and I undid the cinnamon rolls and lined them into my little cake pan here. I've got 2 left. I'm going to save those to do something with on the top. Okay, so now I've put a can of apple pie filling on top, but I think these pieces are too big. So I'm going to come in with my kitchen shears and make them smaller. Because I don't want to take a bite and have a big, giant, enormous piece of apple. And the kitchen shears are really good for snipping things, so. I guess if you didn't pour it out already, you could probably just chop them up. But it's kind of messy, so I want to keep the stuff in this. I got one more hiding over here. Okay. I think I got them. Now let me smush it around. Perfect. Okay, properly smushed. I think I'm going to sprinkle a little cinnamon. Okay, I decided to sprinkle cinnamon sugar. Because, you know, it's like a pastry. You want it to be sweet. So I have 2 cinnamon roll strips left. I'm going to chop these up and then put them on top. Okay, so I have put those last 2 strips, I just cut them up into like little 1/2-inch sections. And then I thought, oh, I want some crunch in this. And I was going to get some graham cracker and crunch them up with some brown sugar. And then I saw I have cinnamon crunch square cereal. And I thought, you know, that's even better because it's kind of already done. It's crunchy and it's got cinnamon. So I'll just crunch a handful of that on top. And that'll make a good topping too. So we will see my little homemade quickie breakfast pastry. One more little handful because when that apple starts bubbling up, this will help absorb some of that too. Oh, that one's a little, crunch that one better. Maybe one more little handful. I have small hands, so this is really not very much. Okay, I'm going to go with it. And then I'm going to stick this in a hot oven about probably 400 degrees. I'm going to give it about 12 minutes and we'll see how it goes from there. Okay, so some of the little topping bits got a little burnt. And I wanted to show you guys because, you know, that kind of stuff happens when you cook. If you never cook, you never burn anything. But, you know, if you cook a lot, sometimes things get a little crispy. But I'm not going to worry about it because I'm going to eat it anyway. I'm going to put icing all over this. And I feel pretty confident it's still going to be delicious. All right, and this is just the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls. So I'll do that, and then I'll show you the results at the end. Okay, turn the light on because it was getting a little dark. So here we go. Let's see. I think this is going to be too hard to do one-handed. Maybe. No, I need a fork. Okay, so here it is. Now for the taste. Let me get a piece of this. And an apple. Get that apple over there. That's really good, guys. It was really good. Just try it.